It's March 10, 2025, Monday at about 1:30 in the afternoon, and I'm out and about today. Went to the post office, the supermarket, and I'm on my way home. And I thought I would talk a little bit about the issue sorry, I'm looking. I've been having with my knee. I went last Monday to see the surgeon for a 2-year follow-up, and mechanically there's nothing wrong with my knee. The implant for the total knee replacement is fine. Absolutely no change in the last year, and everything looks good. But I still have a lot of discomfort in my leg, and particularly on the outside of my knee and sort of over the top of my knee, and also some discomfort in my right foot, which gets numb over the course of a day. So spoke to the surgeon about that, and after we looked at the x-rays, he said, well, could be a back problem. Sometimes those manifest that way. Some sort of spinal stenosis or something like that, which is a narrowing of the channel in the spine. So what he did was gave me a 1-week prescription for steroids, which he said probably won't have much effect at all if the problem is just in the muscles around the knee. But if it's in the spine, in my lower back, and is then transferring down into my leg, it may well provide me with considerable relief. And the purpose of putting me on a steroid was to see if they did provide me with relief, so that he could kind of pin down whether or not the issue was still around my knee, or if it was more likely to be in my back. And he said that if the steroid worked pretty well and cleared up most of the discomfort, that that would trigger a lower back workup, x-rays, maybe an MRI, to see if there's anything back there that can be identified as a source of the problem. And following that, if they identify something, some sort of treatment, which would probably be a combination or one or the other of some physical therapy, various injections, etc., and only in the last resort any kind of surgery. He's also going to look at my right hip just to see if everything is okay there. So that's where I am right now. I finished my week of steroids yesterday morning, took the last pill at 8 a.m. And what I can say is that the steroid, over the course of the week, kind of did away with about 2/3 to 3/4 of the issue. My foot was no longer numb, and most of the discomfort went away. So I'm supposed to call him probably when I get home, and let him know how things came out. And I think this means that in the not too distant future, sorry about the movement, the road is very bumpy. In the not too distant future, I am going to be going back into the hospital to have back x-rays and possibly an MRI. So at least that's what I think now. I'll know more after I talk to my doctor. I'll put in the call. I don't know if I'll get through to him today, but you know, I'll leave the information and we'll see what happens. So that's where we are as of today. I'm hoping that if it is a back issue, that they can identify it and provide me with some sort of treatment that will alleviate the problem that I've been having, because, you know, right now I'm driving and my right knee, on the outside of my knee, is very tight and somewhat painful. And but at least I know that it is not a mechanical issue with the joint. So anyway, that's where we are, and I am gonna stop in and see if I can reach the doctor on the phone. Okay, just thought I'd update you. Thanks for watching.